Welcome back to my channel. This is Tips and Trips Vlogs, and for today's video, day of po si Akla, and actually I ordered skincare on the website of Amazon, and today's video we are going to unbox my parcel. Tcharam! So ayan, umorder tayo sa Amazon UAE, and this is a collagen. So without further ado, let's open and unbox. So day off ako ngayon. Actually, I ordered this a week ago, and I don't have any time to unbox. So this is the time. This is the day. This is the day that the Lord has made. We will rejoice. So, paano ba to? Pukin mo. Oh, ayan. So, okay. It has a plastic cover also inside, but it's not closed. It's open. So here it is, the Bioactive Collagen Jelly by Nag. And it has a flavor of green apple. So it says here, ligaments, hair, nails, gut health, skin, joints, and everything. So ayan, manufactured and distributed by Health Nag Food Supplements Trading LLC, made in RU. What is RU? So ayan. So napanood ko kasi to, or na-view ko one time sa reviews, and ito daw yung pinaka effective collagen in the market, and it's pricey, so we will try. So you should take this one 1 teaspoon per day, 30 minutes before meal. So syempre, I'm also taking Hera Glow 30 minutes before my meal also, on an empty stomach, for more effective, ganun, para more absorption. So this collagen, kailangan din daw 30 minutes before meal. Maybe that's the same reason. So ayan, let's open. So hindi pa po ako naliligo, kakagising ko lang po. And katatapos ko na maglaro ng Mobile Legends. Ayan. How can I remove this one? Okay. So ayan. It has a cover. Okay. See, it's really a jelly. So it's a jelly inside. So kailangan mo siyang gumamit ng teaspoon. So yung maliit, and then you will eat 30 minutes before the meal. So this is 100% pure hydrolyzed peptides type 1, 2, and 3. Collagen, hydrolysate, protein, and everything. Yeah. So ayun, we will check if this is really effective. So yun lang, and we will check if this is really effective. Bioactive Collagen Jelly by Health Nag for those viewers, people who tried also this collagen, please comment down below kung effective ba. And I don't have really any idea. So we will check this one. Thank you so much. It's a short video. Thank you for watching. Please support my channel. And for those viewers na hindi pa nakasubscribe, not yet subscribed, please do subscribe and click that subscribe button. Okay? Thank you po, and don't skip ads for the economy, para sa ekonomiya ni Akala. Thank you so much. Bye. Mwah. Skincare is healthcare, as always.